Kala ko ba Jesus is God? Bakit hindi niya alam kung kailan siya babalik? But of that day and hour, no one knows. Not even the angels of heaven, nor the Son, but the Father alone. Nung nandito si Jesus, He's 100% God, yes. He was also 100% man. And ang ginawa niya sa Philippians chapter 2, He emptied Himself. Meaning to say, He decided and chose, sige, hindi ko malalaman yan. During the time na nandito siya on earth. When since He's already with God the Father, alam na niya kung kailan siya babalik. Pero nung nandito siya sa earth, He decided, okay, I will empty myself. I'm a 100% human being. Yes, He's still 100% God. Hindi nawala yun. Pero nag-decide siya, hindi ko malalaman yan ngayon. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng verse. For the coming of the Son of Man, para daw days of Noah yan. Parang normal life. They were just living a normal life. Pumapasok sa school, nagtatrabaho, kumakain, nagpapakasal, nagkakaroon ng mga apo, nagkakaroon ng mga anak. Ilang beses sinabi ni Noah sa kanila, magkaka-flood, magbago na kayo. So walang naniniwala sa kanya. Until the flood came, took them all away. So will the coming of the Son of Man. Either magugulat ka dahil hindi ka naniwala at magsisisi ka, or ngayon pa lang magbabago ka na. Gusto ni Jesus, maging ready tayo. Because Jesus is coming again.